Let us start with a question. What do you think it takes to produce 1 ton of salami? How long do you think it will take? And what resources will be required? Let's start with an estimate. Salami is usually sold by the kilogram or pound. So 1 ton translates to roughly 1,000 kilograms, or 2,200 pounds of salami. Now consider that meat is typically sold in larger wholesale cuts. A side of beef, for example, weighs several hundred pounds. So instead of working with 1,000 separate packages of meat, imagine buying or processing a single large cut like a side of beef. We'll use this as our starting point. Also keep in mind that not all parts of an animal are used to make salami. Offal bones and unwanted fats are removed during processing. So 1,000 kilograms of raw meat might only yield around 500 kilograms of ground meat suitable for salami making. This means that producing 1 ton of salami requires approximately 2,000 kilograms of raw meat. Another essential factor is water. Meat contains a significant amount of water, typically ranging from 60 to 70%. Since we're only using the ground meat portion, we need to account for the additional water weight. Assuming an average of 65% water content, we need about 325 kilograms of water for our 1 ton salami. Now, the exact quantity of water depends on various factors, such as the type of meat, its initial water content, and the desired consistency of the final salami. Remember that water plays a crucial role in meat processing. It can affect the texture, taste, and safety of the end product. Too little water can lead to a dry, sandy texture, while too much can result in a mushy consistency. Additionally, water helps to distribute ingredients evenly within the meat mixture and aids in removing air bubbles, which is particularly important for salami, which is traditionally made without a cooking step. Therefore, technicians carefully control the amount of water used during the mixing process to achieve the perfect balance for their salami recipe. Finally, electricity is another vital resource needed to manufacture 1 ton of salami. Power is required for machinery like grinders, mixers, stuffers, and slicing equipment, plus lighting, climate control, and general operations. While precise energy usage varies based on factors like equipment efficiency and plant size, we can estimate that manufacturing 1 ton of salami uses roughly 1 megawatt-hour of electricity. This includes not just the direct energy used during processing, but also indirect consumption for tasks like refrigeration and transportation. Understanding the resources needed to make 1 ton of salami provides valuable insights into the scale and complexity involved in producing this popular cured meat. It also highlights the interconnectedness of the meat processing industry with other sectors such as agriculture, energy, and packaging. So now that we have a sense of the scale, let's explore the process itself. Salami is a dry fermented sausage, meaning it undergoes a controlled microbial fermentation process and has a low moisture content, which inhibits the growth of most bacteria, including those that cause spoilage or illness. The production of salami involves several key steps, each requiring specialized equipment and expertise. First, there's the meat preparation stage, which involves receiving, inspecting, and grinding the meat. The meat is initially inspected for quality and then run through a series of grinder plates to achieve the desired texture. Next, the meat is mixed with seasonings and curing agents like salt, pepper, garlic, and fennel. The mixture is thoroughly blended to ensure an even distribution of flavors and preservatives. Once the mixture is prepared, it's stuffed into casings, traditionally made from animal intestines or synthetic materials. Modern equipment is used to efficiently fill the casings with the meat mixture, ensuring an even distribution. After stuffing, the casings are tied or clipped to form individual salami links. The next step is fermentation, where the salami is placed in a controlled environment to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. During fermentation, the bacteria consume sugars present in the meat, producing lactic acid, which contributes to the characteristic flavor and texture of salami. The salami is typically fermented for several days, and throughout this process, careful monitoring of temperature and humidity is essential to ensure optimal conditions for bacterial growth. Once fermentation is complete, the salami enters the drying phase. During drying, the salami is placed in a chamber where the temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to remove moisture from the surface of the salami. This process not only helps to preserve the salami, but also enhances its flavor and texture. The drying process can take several weeks, and regular monitoring and adjustments to the drying conditions are necessary to ensure the salami reaches the desired quality standards. Finally, after drying, the salami is ready for slicing, packaging, and distribution. Slicing is done using specialized commercial slicers that can quickly and efficiently slice the salami into thin pieces. The sliced salami is then packaged in various forms, such as vacuum sealing, plastic bags, or wooden boxes, depending on the intended use and market. Throughout the entire production process, stringent hygiene and safety measures are followed to ensure the salami is free from contamination and meets food safety standards. Regular testing and inspections are conducted to verify the quality and safety of the product. Producing a ton of salami annually involves a lot of hard work, skilled labor, specialized machinery, and strict adherence to food safety and quality standards. However, with efficient production methods and continuous quality improvement efforts, it's possible for manufacturers to meet market demand while delivering high-quality products. So how long does it take to produce 1 ton of salami? Considering all these steps and processes, it typically takes a few months to produce 1 ton of salami. The exact time frame may vary depending on factors such as production capacity, ingredient availability, and market demand. So while it may seem like a relatively quick process, producing this amount of salami involves multiple stages that require time and precision to ensure the highest quality product. In conclusion, producing 1 ton of salami annually requires a significant investment of resources, including raw meat, water, and electricity. The process involves several intricate steps from meat preparation to fermentation, drying, and packaging. Achieving this level of production demands skilled labor, specialized machinery, and strict adherence to food safety standards. Manufacturers must continually optimize their processes to meet market demand, while ensuring consistent product quality. The production of salami is a testament to the complexity and sophistication of the food processing industry. It showcases the importance of understanding the resource requirements and intricate processes involved in bringing this beloved cured meat to consumers worldwide. Whether enjoyed on a sandwich or as part of a charcuterie board, salami continues to be a popular choice among meat lovers and food enthusiasts alike. Its unique flavor and texture make it a versatile ingredient that can be appreciated in various culinary creations. For those interested in exploring the world of cured meats, learning about the production process behind salami offers an intriguing glimpse into the craftsmanship and expertise involved in creating this timeless delicacy. So the next time you savor the taste of salami, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken from raw ingredients to your plate. If you enjoyed this detailed look into salami production, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on food production. Your support helps us bring more fascinating content on the journey our food takes to reach our plates.